Today we're celebrating 95 years existence of the Chamber of Commerce. Very proud of that. It's a huge milestone, of course. Back in the days in 1930, the Chamber of Commerce was started. Basically before that already, the Chamber of Commerce, the organization, was already helping and supporting companies on the island. But 1930 it became really official. And knowing that back in the days we had these kaartenbakken where we were like handwritten all the companies and placing them in the kaartenbak. And today, of course, we completely digitalized everything. We actually launched a new website last week, and we're currently busy with the new My Chamber environment, where people can change things and apply, for example, for an uittreksel and those kind of things. The last couple of years, we really stepped up. So we're basically much more doing than just only a registration company. One of the things that we're doing, for example, is that we listen very carefully to the companies. Throughout the year, we send out a lot of surveys to the companies on certain topics to listen to them and to understand what their challenges are. And then on the other hand, we connect with the government, and that's where we have periodically meetings with the government, where we see and where we discuss and brainstorm together with the government what we can do together to tackle these challenges. And then on the other hand, we did a lot of other things, or we're doing a lot of other things. For example, we do more than 30 workshops per year. We have an annual business seminar every year where we get like international speakers to come to the island. So we do as well a lot around supporting companies from small to large. We have around 150 attendees. So in the last couple of 95 years, of course, we have built a lot of partners and stakeholders. They were invited for tonight to celebrate this special moment together with us.